Let's train splits and yap about the reason why I do not trust 30-day splits programs. The backstory. I first started training splits back in 2018, and I had seen an app that was boasting a 30-day splits program, so I was super excited to try it out. I have no recollection of ever having my front to back splits before. As a little dance girly, I remember having my middle splits, but front to back splits, who is she? So I start using this stretching app religiously every day. I'm going through this 15 to 20 minute program. And what these programs aren't telling you is that they're essentially just getting you warm enough to take you through some static stretching and splits. And if you've ever done any kind of static stretching in your life, then you know the warmer you are, the better that stretching goes. That's why you're supposed to do your static stretching at the end of your workout and not the beginning. Thank you very much. So I'm maybe a week into the program and they start having us drop into our splits. But what they're not telling us is to safely drop into the splits and to use blocks if needed. So your girl is just raw dogging it down into the splits and trying to push as far down as I can possibly go. And that's when I hear it. The pop heard and felt round the world. Immediately, I'm getting up out of those splits with the quickness and I'm packing up my shit and leaving the gym. Because not only am I completely panicked at the sound, I'm also panicked at the fact that I thought the entire gym heard it. And while I did not feel any immediate pain from the pop, hours later, I was in excruciating pain. I'm talking could barely walk around pain. I tried heat, I tried ice, I tried rest, and nothing worked. And the pain was honestly everywhere. At the back of my leg, my inner thigh, my hip, everywhere. So finally, I call up a chiropractor in my area and she starts to nurse me back to good health immediately. As it turns out, I had completely popped one of my hips out of place, trying to ego stretch my way into the splits in just 30 days. Needless to say, I will never trust another 30-day stretching program ever again. And when I release my own splits program, it will definitely be a splits on your own time kind of thing. Because listen to me when I say this, every body is different. Once you start training splits, you could get them in 6 months or you could get them in 6 years. The moral of the story is to be patient and go slow and listen to your body. And remember to use blocks, huh? Your splits will take time and consistency. But always remember, babe, don't overthink it. Just have fun. Love you.